Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. If you want to start learning on the go, let's log into Khan Academy through the mobile application. So first, open the Khan Academy app on your phone. If you have not installed it yet, grab it from the Play Store or App Store. And when you reach the home screen, tap on Sign In. So if you don't already have an account, simply choose the options given above to register your account. But for now, we're trying to sign in. So tap Sign In at the bottom. Here also you will get multiple login options, either to sign in with Google, Facebook, Apple, or your email and password. Tap the one you used during the sign up process. Let me go with my email address. Enter your password. If you cannot remember your password, simply tap Forgot in the password field to retrieve it via email. And once you enter your credentials, tap Sign In. And you are in. Start exploring your courses, continue learning, or pick up where you left off, all from your mobile. Quick, easy, and now learning is literally in your pocket. If this video helped, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.